Our product is a portable wallbox. It's not necessary to install a classic wallbox on the wall. You can just simply take the charger with you, connect it simply to the socket, charge at home, in your garage, or in your cottage, for example, or wherever you are. We just decide to move forward with this kind of charger and develop better solution with LTE connectivity, with MIS-certified measurement, and with a new app. The main advantage from ASN is the clarity from your side, so we know very well what's the price for this kind of device and so on. So it was the problem with previous developers.
Hello, my name is František Vrbovský and I would like to welcome you here at ASN Plus in our new interview. We are a development company. We develop hardware, firmware and applications for our customers. We are able to develop an entire ecosystem, or we can help your development team with just individual tasks such as remote firmware update, etc. Electromobility is today's trend and is on the rise. In Europe, same as in Czech Republic, there is a lot of people considering to buy electric vehicle, or they have already bought one. Despite that fact, there is quite a small network of the charging stations. Our customer and our today's guest, Tomas Richter, has decided to approach this challenge in a quite smart way. He has developed a portable wallbox which you can carry in your vehicle, and this you can charge your vehicle anywhere you want. So I'm so delighted to welcome here Tomas Richter, CEO and the owner of the R-EVC company, for this interview.
Hello.
Hello. First, I have one question, or the first question in general. Could you present us your product a little closer?
Yeah, for sure. Our product is a portable wallbox, which have a huge advantage for final or for our customers. It's not necessary to install the classic wallbox on the wall in your garage or on the different places. So you can just simply take the charger with you in your car, and thanks to all safety features of our portable wallbox, actually, you can just connect it simply to the socket and using it wherever you want.
That's quite interesting. It gives to the owner of the electric vehicle a lot of opportunities where you can charge the vehicle.
Yeah. Thanks to our Pro version, you can just simply switch the plugs on the end of the charger, actually. So you can charging from CE 5-pin socket or from a classic 230 volt socket. So yeah, you can charge at home, in your garage, or in your cottage, for example, or wherever you are.
Yeah, that's a great thing. So situations such as this, where, for example, there is no station to charge, for example, like a petrol station, just the electric station, you can charge the vehicle, for example, at your home or anywhere else when you are carrying it. Correct?
Yeah, because the manufacturers of the cars do not give you the charger when you buy the new car. Yeah,
Okay.
so in this case, you have two chances how to solve the situation. You can buy the classic wallbox, so that means that you have to call some electrician, and he have to install it, and it costs you a lot of money. Or you can just simply buy the portable version, which you simply connect to the socket. And yeah, in our country, actually, it's quite common to have this socket in your garage. So you're just using the same installation, and thanks to RCD Type B and all safety features, you can just simply start charging as fast as a classic wallbox.
That's really interesting, and it sounds like it's a very good solution for situations where you do not have your own wallbox. Actually, I am quite surprised that you received the electric vehicle without the cord, like without this kind of.
Yeah, because the manufacturers trying to save some money, because they know very well that nobody using this kind of charger, because they gave you like just single phase 10 amps charger. So it means that from I don't know, from 0 to 80%, you charging your car like maybe 25 hours or something like this. So thanks
quite
to
long.
so and if you're using our charger and you or wallbox, it doesn't matter, you charging like 6 hours from 0 to 80%. So yeah, you save a lot of time thanks to it. And yeah,
that's around 1/4 or something of the
yeah. Yeah, it could be. So this is the reason why the manufacturers just stop to give the customers the charger, because nobody wanted. Yeah. So you just receive the charger and put it somewhere on the side, because it's useless.
That's interesting. Okay, so thanks a lot. I have second question. I know that this portable wallbox that we developed for you is a second generation or next generation. Why have you actually decided to go for the next generation of the wallbox?
Right now, we have a lot of experience from the market, and right now we know actually what our customers want from the from the online version, what they actually expect from us. So we just decide to move forward with this kind of charger and develop a better solution with LTE connectivity, with MIS certified measurement, and with a new app.
Could you like sum up all the new features that the new charger has, or the new portable wallbox has?
Yeah, from the safety features, it's a better solution of RCD type B inside. Right now we measure the temperature of all three phases in our adapters or in our plug. There's a real-time let's say communication between the adapter and the charger. Another function is actually MIT certified measurement for fleets, let's say, and new mobile app. And the whole product is more scalable from us. So you can just simply buy the offline version, which is still possible to control from your mobile phone, but just via Bluetooth. Or another one is like Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi, which is via internet connection. And the third version is actually with LTE connectivity, so you can be online wherever you are. And that's probably all. And all of these three versions. All these three versions could be with a MIT certified measurement. So yeah, I think it's something what isn't on the market right now.
Okay, so today, if I do understand it correctly, there are three versions. The first one is like only with the Bluetooth communication. Second one with the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi, which can connect to the Ethernet, like for example to the home network or something. And the third one you can use the LTE as well.
Yes.
What the user can control, or what data can the user get through this application and communication?
Yeah, charging history. You can control, real time the charging session. So you can just simply lower the charging current, or in case you implement the charger to some third-party solution like Home Assistant or something like that, you can just simply control the charging process. So you can simply charging just surplus, let's say, from the PV, or something like this.
Okay, that's really interesting. I have another question, which is much more regarding like the development tasks or the things. When you decided to develop like the new version of this portable wallbox, we were in a discussion, or you were in discussions regarding like the topics of the development, what should be the goals and these things. Did these I would say, goals or maybe process has been changed throughout the process, or it was like from the beginning, like clear what you want to develop, and then you were just developing, or we were just developing?
It was quite clear, but during the development process, we just add some extra functions.
Could we mention some of these?
For example, the MIT certified measurement. It wasn't the plan for first from our side.
Okay, and how did you like come up with it regarding like during the discussion, or maybe you I would say maybe checked some of the competitors' products or something, or how did you get into this kind of a
Yeah,
idea?
or some ideas are from competitors from another countries maybe, but a lot of these ideas are I think from our customers.
Yeah, so the customers expect some of the functions, so you put it there.
Yeah, because they know very well their markets, so they know perfectly what their customers want. So yeah, this is the thing why we will continually developing the product with new functions. For example, for North Europe, some kind of spot charging and stuff like that. So
okay. I know that in the next generation, you are using like the experiences that you gained during the first generation. So the concept, it's much more, I would say, clearer. It's much more complex. I know that there was a difference between the firmwares, etc. So I know that in the previous version there were more firmwares. Right now there is only just one. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and the main issue was for us the mold, which we developing by ourselves. So yeah, we want to take this mold and the same box, and we need more functions actually for our charger. So this is it.
Okay, and how do you deal with the firmware updates? Because I know that the firmware, which is like in some kind of a version, you get the new features, or maybe you update it somehow. How is the new portable wallbox able to update the firmware?
It's actually over the air,
Okay.
and yeah, you simply click in the mobile app on the update to firmware version, and it take like I don't know 1 minute maybe to
That's
update.
nice.
Yeah.
So you don't have to get like your portable wallbox, put it into some kind of a service center to update the firmware. You can do it just at your home.
Yeah, that's right.
That's a great thing. That's a great thing. Thank you. I would like to dwell for a little time on the business perspective of the development, because I know that you are cooperating with the ASN Plus. So I would say that the ASN Plus is your external development team. How did you get into the decision to put your development to external company, not to your own maybe developers?
Yeah, because I was a little bit afraid that we will have not a lot of work for all developers, because then you need like 4 people, full time. So it could be quite problematic in next 2 years, let's say. So yeah, to save some money, we just try to find somebody who have experience with this all, because we know very well what does it mean to develop something, and the developing of first generation was a little bit problematic for us. So yeah, in this case, I know what I don't want to from developers, but yeah.
Okay, so the first version, were you developing like internally, or were you using external developers as well?
No, we had external developers, but
okay.
yeah, it was quite problematic with them. So yeah, this is the reason why we are here right now.
Okay, that's good to hear. So, and would you be able to maybe compare the cooperation with ASN Plus with the previous company? You don't have to definitely name it, but maybe highlight some of the issues that you were having. And
yeah, the main advantage from ASN Plus is the let's say clarity from your side. So we know very well what was cost, let's say,
yeah,
was
like
the price of the was
the
the price for this kind of device, and so on. So it was the problem with previous developers, and yeah, there was a lot of issues with previous ones. So yeah.
Yeah, like the transparency.
Yeah, that's right.
I have another topic to discuss with you. What are your experiences with the remote cooperation? Because I know that we cooperate remotely. We have, I would say, weekly meetings about the project, about the progressing in these things. I know that you are in a quite close cooperation and communication on almost daily basis with our project manager, with Ondřej. How do you evaluate this kind of remote cooperation?
Yeah, I think that's fine, and thanks to it, all is clear. I mean, like when I have some questions, there are always like two developers on another side of the call. So yeah, I just ask what I want to know, and they give me the answers. And on the beginning of our cooperation, we had like I think one call per week. It was always like 1 hour. So there, the guys just show me what's new for the previous week, and give me some new information. So yeah, I think it's perfectly fine.
So would you change like anything about the cooperation like in this remote way, or would you say that it's like okay like this?
Yeah, I think in our 21st century it's really fine.
Yeah, so it's not kind of I would say borders in the development, so development can be done like this remote way without like any boundaries.
Yeah, no, I mean we are like 25 kilometers away from each other, and yeah, I don't need to go here and talk with the developers, because yeah, it's a waste of our time. So it's simpler for, I think, everybody just schedule the call for the time which fits all of us, and yeah, talk online.
Okay, thank you. Actually, we are quite close to the end of this interview, so I'd like to give you a compliment regarding the cooperation. I would like to say that you are kind of one of our great customers, because cooperating with you is kind of a pleasure, because you are really deeply in the project, so you know where exactly we are when we are discussing the topics with you regarding development. You really know how to react, you know the things, you know the stuff, so that's a really great thing. What is really important to say is that that we cooperate with you as a team, so we can feel that there is not kind of a vendorship or something, that you are only a vendor of the development things and I'm the customer. It's much more partnership, and it's really well seen, or it is really well visible regarding the progress of the processing. Like the project is going really well, and it's going really, I would say, fast forward regarding this kind of a close cooperation. So I would like to thank you for that. It's really
thank you.
Nice.
Thanks.
Okay, I have one of the last questions, which is, what are your next development plans? What the customers can look forward to?
Yeah, we would like to offer to our customers some device, let's say smart meter, which will be able to charging surplus, let's say, from PV, and some dynamic load balancing of the portable chargers or wallboxes, because right now we're developing the wallbox with your company too, but it's just because the market of the wallboxes is quite huge, and I think not all customers understand that the portable wallbox is as good as the classic one.
Okay.
So yeah, we just want to have all in our portfolio to offer everything to our customers.
That's nice. Are you planning it for the next year or maybe the year after?
Yeah, I think in 25 we will continuing to developing the portable charger, but yeah, definitely I hope in the end of Q2 25, I hope we will have some kind of smart meter which will be able for our customers.
Okay, that sounds very nice. So we are looking forward to the release. Okay, I have really last question. If the customers who can see this video would like to buy some kind of the portable wallboxes or in the chargers or any other of your products, how could they do that?
Yeah, they just simply find us on our ecowalter.com website, which is especially for European countries.
Okay, so the best way is on the webpage.
Yeah, it's like ecowalter.com actually,
okay.
because we have another shop for Czech market actually. It's called Nabi Electromobil.cz, but yeah, for the Europe it's ecowalter.com.
Okay, thank you. We will definitely put a link under this video so the customers can take a look at it and can click on it. I would like to thank you for this interview. It was quite nice that you come along and we could discuss the topics such as these. That's everything for today. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because there are new videos coming with another interesting people and customers.